Hi friends, welcome to Saral Trader. I will share some information today as to how these Saral levels are created. So, as you all know, who have been using our service, we provide Saral levels. Saral system is basically based on VIX and the index correlation. So, based on how the VIX is moving, we get to know what will be the range for the markets and what will be the key levels that you can trade. These levels are daily levels, and we also provide a weekly range every Friday. We can also provide weekly range and any of the days you want, which will be the next 5 days range based on the VIX. These are very accurate levels. You will see that we provide these ranges and levels every day for key indices like SPX, SPY, S&P 500 futures, and also QQQ. We can also provide these levels for IWM and RTY if anybody is interested, and also for Dow Jones. Now, these are hourly, daily levels. We also have a system where we can provide daily ranges, and sorry, we can also provide hourly ranges, and ranges can also be calculated, and levels can be calculated for even smaller time frames like half an hour. Now, right now, we're just offering hourly and the daily ranges. So coming back to the charts, if you see, this is S&P 500 futures chart and this is the VIX chart. Now, the whole hypothesis behind the Sural system is that while markets are going up and down, uh, the option writers, are the people which is a smart money. So people, who are selling the options, calls and puts. These are large institutions because mostly retail is not educated to do that. The small traders, these are hedge funds, large institutions who control the pricing. And VIX is a measure of how the option prices are moving up or down. So if the option prices are moving higher, that means people are asking for more money to sell the options, call or put, or basically selling the insurances against the market down and up move. That means there is a lot of fear in the market, and the chances that a lot of fear in the market, and people are expecting markets to fall down. That's why they are asking for more premiums for the insurances. While if VIX is going down, that means that the level of risk perception in the market is less. Now, based on this, the hypothesis behind Sural system is that if option writers or option sellers, which are institutions, are selling the markets, they will be defending those key levels at which they are going to have big losses. So technically, I have sold you insurance that the markets will not go down. Now, if the market starts going down, the idea is that these people will try and come and defend those levels. So based on this, the Saral levels, daily levels were backtested for almost 1700 trading days. And we found a very strong relationship between the levels, ranges, and the market performance. Around 71% of times you will see that the market will close within the daily range that we are providing. And these levels, the R1 and R2, are the resistances levels where you can expect markets to give sharp reactions. These reactions can be around 0.25 to 1% from these levels. And typically, this is the stop level where, if the market goes outside this range, you should take out this is a stop level for these levels. But also, these levels give you very good trading ranges, very accurate ranges. And also, if the ranges are broken, you will see that 50% of times, if the upper range is broken, you will see the markets will come back and close within the range. So if the market range is broken, you can go out and take a trade whenever you get your right setup to short the markets and for comes inside the range. Similarly, if the lower range is broken, you will see that around 40% of times market will come back and close within the range. Uh, when the lower levels are broken, the chances is that markets will go. That's why the percentage is less. And if the level is broken, you can target, take a trade and target the first stop level. Touch of the stop level can be a first target, and then the second and third target can be S2 and S1. Similarly, if the upper range is broken, you can short the market for touching the first level, which is the stop level, the range level. Then the R2 and R1 can be your next targets. So this system is basically extremely simple system to trade S&P 500 or index futures and options, because you don't have to do anything in the system. You have to just wait for the levels to come and take a trade. You don't have to look at support, resistances, volume profile and this and that, all that shit, nothing. You do have to do nothing. You just have to wait for the triggers, levels to trigger. Once the levels are triggered, you can take the trade. Now, how do you do your stop losses and your ranges? That will depend on your styles. These levels, you will see key reactions coming in. So a lot of my clients are using it. If you are interested, you can reach out. You can join our SARAL. We have a free trial. You get a trial of for 30 days of all our products, options and stocks, and the levels as well. Or if you're just interested in levels for index, you can reach out to, you can buy it for $25 per month. You get all the four indices. And if you also need the hourly levels, we can talk about it. Hourly levels and ranges are very accurate. This can be used for option writers, I mean sellers, option buyers, futures. You if you're trading index, as a SPY in cash, you can use that for cash trading. This is a very simple system. In fact, Sural actually means simple, very simple. So if you have any questions, please DM me. You can comment or like and subscribe this. This is the simplest system based on a scientific study, because options prices decide how the markets will behave. And when the market's ranges are broken almost, and the market doesn't come back inside the range, those are the very high volatile days like FOMC or some big news coming in, and those are only say around 15% of days, and some of them are very well known that this is a very high volatile day. Well, this system has performed on even high volatile days as well, but most of the days where the ranges are broken are known event days, or known, when there is a big news coming in. These levels work for overnight as well. So, for futures, you will see that these levels are very accurate even in the extended hours. So if you trade early morning, around 4 or 5 p.m., AM times, these levels will still stand. So if you have any questions, let me know. You can also follow me on my channel on Twitter. On Twitter, my profile is Saral Trader underscore Pragati. She's my wife. This is the levels here, and I give out regular chart patterns and some of the picks, and also we cover commodities. So if you have any questions, let me know. Look forward to see you guys. Happy trading, happy Saral trading. Thank you. Bye bye.